Hi, this is David Williams from iExpert Advisor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install our free AI EA Builder on your local computer. Navigate to our website at iExpertAdvisor.com. Click the free trial button, then enter your email address. And then click the Download Free Trial button. In this case, I'm being challenged with the "Are you a robot?" question. I'll click I'm not a robot and continue. You may or may not see that page. You'll be navigated to the download page where the download should start automatically. Then a Save As window will appear. Click Save. If for some reason the download does not begin automatically, just go to the bottom of the page and click the big download button. In either case, when the download is finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the setup file. And then click Install. This will install the builder. It may take a few minutes depending on your download speed. After the install is finished, click the Run button. This will start the builder. The builder will load and you're ready to go. Now, if you have lost the download file, you could always go to our site and download the builder from our Downloads page. Click the Download button. This will go to the Install page. Click the Install button. Click the Save button to save the file, and then click the Keep button. You can then choose to run the file or open the download folder. If you open the download folder, double-click the setup file. This will begin the install process. Then click the Run button. In this case, the builder will probably prompt you to enter your email address. Enter your email address and select OK. This will start the builder. The builder will load and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about the EA Builder, check out some of our other videos we have up here, or go to our website at iExpertAdvisor.com, download the free version, and try it yourself.